Hey everybody, this is Diane with Web Concierge Services, and I just wanted to shoot this quick video. I'm working with the Betheme, WordPress Betheme 20, and I just wanted to show you how this quote post was created, okay? So first of all, I just want to show you what it looks like. You can see here it is in a sort of a blog summary listing, and if I click on the read more and I get just the single page, we notice that this is actually nice and big at the top. So we're going to show you how to recreate that. Okay, so here we are. The first decision that we need to make is whether we want quotes to appear or not. And the way that we do that is we go to the Betheme options, which is under the appearance tab in the backend. And what we're going to want to do, depending on our preference, if we want the quotes to show up, the single quote like you saw it, you want to go ahead and leave that on default. If you don't want quotes to show up, you would click on simple. Okay? So make your choice, and then from there we're going to move on to the post itself. Okay, so you can see here I've got a post. I filled it with dummy data, and into the header, or into the title, I put my quote, which I want. It's actually by Michael Jordan. So the other thing to note is the first thing we need to do is go down here and make sure that the post format is set to quote. Now, then the other thing we need to do is we need to go down here. I'm going to scroll hopefully a little faster, and I need to go to my options, and where it says subheader hide, we need to set that to true. Okay, so now I've saved and I'm viewing my post, and you can see that we've got a nice big quote right up here on top. Now, that doesn't look exactly like the sample, but in order to do the next step, we actually just need to stylize the quote for this particular page. So we're going to do that next. Now, by default, Betheme allows custom CSS on the website level and on the page level. So what we're going to have to do is actually go in and do something kind of fancy and do some custom stuff and identify and create some special treatments around quotes. So let's do that next. Okay guys, so this is where it gets a little gnarly. What you need to do if you want to modify the CSS for any post is that you need to come in here into the CSS for the main theme and write a very post-specific syntax to change what you want to change. So what I had to do in order to change the appearance of that quote is I needed to put in some CSS, and it's a little complicated to read, but I'll put it at the bottom of the comments for this video. But basically, all you have to do is keep the structure of that. You can put anything you want really within the curly quotes. You know, you can change that however you want, but that's what you need to do in order to modify something like that. So let me pause this, and I'm going to pop out and we're going to see the end result here. Hold on one second. Okay, and so you can see here this is the final result of the formatting that I chose for this quote. Notice that I still have the quote graphic in the background. I just basically changed the size and the color, and I made it an italic. But notice that the block quote that is in the body of the post did not change. Okay, and that's explains why all the nesting that you saw in the CSS. But anyway, I will include that obviously in the description. That's a little too much to take off the screen. So there you go. It is possible. And I will appreciate any key comments or feedback. If you like these kinds of videos, please let me know, and by commenting and sharing and subscribing to my channel. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.